Hello, welcome to English Listening Journey. Today, we will talk about the benefits of running. Running is a simple activity that can make your body and mind feel great. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and let's begin. Why running is great. Running is one of the easiest exercises you can do. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. All you need is a good pair of shoes and a safe place to run. Running can be done anywhere, in a park, on a beach, or even around your neighborhood. It is simple, but it brings many benefits to your health and happiness. Running is also very flexible. You can run early in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening when the sun sets. It fits into any schedule. Some people like to run alone to enjoy the quiet time, while others prefer to run with friends or in a group. This makes running suitable for all types of people. Another great thing about running is that it connects you with nature. When you run outside, you can enjoy fresh air, sunshine, and the beauty of trees, flowers, and open spaces. This connection with nature can lift your mood and give you energy. Health benefits. Running is great for your body. When you run, your heart works harder, making it stronger. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and lower your blood pressure. Running also helps you burn calories, which can keep your weight healthy and reduce the risk of obesity. If you run regularly, your muscles and bones will also become stronger. This is especially important as you get older. Strong muscles and bones help prevent injuries and keep you active. Running can even improve your posture because it strengthens your back and core muscles. Running is good for your lungs too. It helps you breathe better and improves your stamina. When you run, your body uses more oxygen, and this trains your lungs to work more efficiently. Over time, you will notice that you can run longer without feeling tired. This increased stamina can help you in other activities, like climbing stairs or playing sports. Another benefit is better sleep. After a run, your body feels more relaxed, and it is easier to fall asleep. A good night's sleep gives you more energy for the next day and helps your body recover. Mental benefits. Running doesn't just help your body, it also helps your mind. When you run, your brain releases chemicals called endorphins. These chemicals make you feel happy and reduce stress. This is why many people say they feel good after a run. Some even call it a runner's high. Running can also clear your mind. If you feel worried or stressed, going for a run can help you think more clearly. It's a good way to take a break and focus on yourself. As you run, you might find solutions to problems or feel more relaxed about challenges in your life. Running can improve your confidence too. When you set a goal, like running for 10 minutes without stopping, and achieve it, you feel proud. This feeling of success can make you feel stronger and more positive in other areas of your life. It teaches you discipline and shows you that hard work pays off. Running can also boost your creativity. Many people find that their best ideas come to them while they are running. The combination of movement, fresh air, and a focused mind can spark new thoughts and solutions. How to start running. If you've never run before, don't worry. You can start small. Begin with a 5-minute walk and then jog for 1 minute. Slowly increase the time you spend running. Remember, it's okay to take breaks. The most important thing is to keep going. Even a little running is better than none. Set simple goals to keep yourself motivated. For example, aim to run for 10 minutes 3 times a week. Once you achieve that, you can set a new goal, like running for 15 minutes or increasing your speed. Writing down your progress in a notebook or app can help you stay on track. Find a running buddy if you can. Running with a friend can make it more fun. You can encourage each other and celebrate your progress together. If you don't have a friend to run with, consider joining a local running group. Running with others can make the activity feel less like exercise and more like a social event. If you like listening to music, create a playlist of your favorite songs to keep you motivated while you run. Upbeat songs can give you energy, while slower songs can help you cool down. Some people also enjoy listening to podcasts or audiobooks while running. Make sure to wear comfortable clothes and shoes. Proper running shoes can protect your feet and prevent injuries. If you run outside, choose a safe route and stay aware of your surroundings. Running early in the morning or late in the evening. Wear bright or reflective clothing so others can see you. Running is a simple activity that brings big benefits. It keeps your body healthy, makes your mind happy, and helps you feel more confident. Whether you are young or old, a beginner or experienced, running can be for everyone. What about you? Do you like running? Have you ever felt the runner's high? Share your experience in the comments below. Thank you for listening to this story about running. I hope it inspires you to try running or keep running. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey for more helpful and fun stories. See you next time.